Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. It's me Sehrish from Sehrish Easy Life. First of all, I want you to please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It is quite requested video. So many of you requested me and messaged me that you want to see a cleaning video. So this one is for you guys. So basically it's a nighttime cleaning. Usually I try to clean at the night time when kids go to bed. So I just want to show you the reality what's going on in the house right now. It's really messy. So let's start the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm just praying that everybody is safe in their houses because of this pandemic. So many people lost their jobs and they lost their loved ones. I hope you all just have a peaceful life, and those whose loved ones passed away, may God give you all strength. And let's enjoy this video. I don't know, it's just with me in my house, or it's like in everybody's house, because I find glass like everywhere in the house. And I'm making this cleaning spray, and I'm using this Fabulosa. I got it from, I think, B&M, and I have this empty bottle of the pink stuff. Literally just I used it like for quite few times. There's no pink stuff left, so I'm gonna add some Zafrola, and I'm gonna add Fabulosa, and I'm gonna add some water, and I'm gonna make my own cleaning spray. It smells so good, and it cleans really well as well. So, and it says 99.9% bacteria it kills. So I'm trying to kill all these nasty bacteria sitting on my counter right now. That's what I'm doing right now. I don't know, like क्लीनिंग का ये होता है कि जब आप अपने किचन के बर्तन धो लें तो आपका घर आधे से ज़्यादा साफ़ हो जाता है. स्पेशली आपका किचन जो है वो आधे से ज़्यादा साफ़ हो जाता है. और इसी तरह बेडरूम्स का होता है कि जैसे ही आप अपना बेड बनाएं तो आई डोंट नो, एकदम से बिल्कुल साफ़ लगने लग जाता है रूम, इवन दो आपने कुछ भी ना उठाया. और यहाँ पे मैं अपने सिंक के लिए जो है ये द पिंक स्टफ़, इट्स आई थिंक अ क्रीम समथिंग, तो ये मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इससे ये सिंक जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छा साफ़ हो जाता है. जितना भी ऑयल वगैरह और ग्रिम्स वगैरह जो होता है वो बिल्कुल साफ़ हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना डू राइट नाउ. Oh, I want to share this with you guys that I got this diffuser. It's really good. And I got it from Amazon. I got these 24, I guess. These are 24, yeah. 24 essence oil, different flavors में. और इसके साथ जो है वो बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है कि which one you use for what purpose, like if for your immune booster or for stress relief, like which essence oils you can mix and use it. So if you want, if you want to buy, I can put the link below in the description. You can definitely check. It's really good. Not a sponsored video, but I really like it, and that's what it is. Now I'm just moving towards the living room. It's just an open plan. हमारा kitchen और living room जो है both are joined. So I'm just gonna pick up everything from the living room. There's so much stuff. Kids just leave everything sometimes. Like they're really tired when they come from school. They have like they need to read their Quran, and then they need to eat their dinner and study and read storybook, blah blah blah, like so many stuff. So they literally get tired, especially when they are coming from school. Even though in the weekends they do try to help me, and when they are done with playing they do pick up, but usually night time I don't ask them anything to do, and I just want them go straight to bed because they have school in the morning. So I don't want them to feel tired, but I know I should ask them. But that's what I'm doing right now, picking up their stuff and try to tidy up. I'm gonna do dusting as well because these days I don't know kahan se itna dust aane lage. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not watching this series at all on the Netflix. It's just coming up. I'm not watching that. I'm basically watching Usman right now. I finished Artugul watching. I'm watching Usman right now. So let me know if you guys are watching Usman or you guys finished watching Artugul or not. Do let me know in the comments. One of the best dramas I ever watched, and I am obsessed. I watched like all 5 seasons I think in just 3 months of Artugul. Now I'm watching Usman, and it's really good. If you already done watching Artugul, make sure you do go and watch Usman as well. Now I'm gonna tidy up and you guys just watch what I'm doing. Oh my god, you can see stuff is everywhere. I need to pick up and tidy up everything. So when we come down in the morning, घर बिल्कुल साफ़ हो और बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा हो. अल्लाह मियाँ मेरे अब्बू को जन्नत नसीब करे. उनको कभी भी गंदा घर अच्छा नहीं लगता था, और मेरी अम्मी जो थी वो हमेशा जो है वो घर को साफ़ रखती थी. स्पेशली अब्बू को होता था कि रात में बर्तन जो हैं वो बिल्कुल साफ़ लाइक धो के रखने चाहिए. और सुनना भी है कि वी हैव टू वॉश आवर वट एवर द लेफ्ट ओवर बर्तन इज़, एंड मेक श्योर कि आप उसको कवर करके रखें ताकि आपके घर में बरकत है. नाउ आई एम गोना क्लीन माई ड्राइंग रूम. इट्स बीन लाइक so many days I did not clean. I cover my sofas with these white sheets because usually बच्चे इधर कमरे में बैठ के they read Quran, and when my youngest one, she just like to jump around on all the sofas and wipe her dirty hands on my brand new sofa. So I love to cover them just to protect. So these sheets are quite dirty now. I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna wash them, and I'm gonna clean my sofa as well, and I'm gonna fluff my cushions as well. Right now I just have these dark gray and light gray combination of cushions. Do let me know which color goes well with the gray, so I can add a color little bit. In my mind I want to add like dark, like royal blue type colors ताकि वो एक subtle सा look है. I don't want like really bright, but if you guys have any ideas, make sure do let me know in the comment. share with you guys that on 1st of January, inshallah, it will be like one whole year we moved to this house. We moved on 1st of January 2020, and on 1st of January 2021 it's gonna be one whole year. This is our first buy, and alhamdulillah, we are so happy to have our own house. And this year was a roller coaster, so do 2019. There's so many things happen in 2019, some sad stuff, some good stuff, and 2020 is just above and beyond. We like so many people are like suffering, and this pandemic, I don't know, like it was a weird. I hope next year will be good. And you can see, if you want to see house tour, make sure you do let me know. Although it's this house is still not complete, like I didn't complete decorating the house, but if you want to see, do let me know. There's like oh, you can see that my kitchen is all clean. It's such a good feeling when you come downstairs in the morning and you see such a clean house. Your mood instantly good, you feel good. Everything is clean, everything is neat and tidy. I washed some clothes as well, and I put it on the radiator so it get dry. Don't judge me. And my drawing room is clean. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video, and do answer me all those questions which I ask you during this video, and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.